Sepsis is the extreme reaction of our body to an infection that becomes systemic. You can think of it as a wildfire. It all starts with just a spark. This spark could be a previous urinary infection. And just as the spark finds the conditions to spread and create a wildfire, the infection can move to the bloodstream and trigger a chain reaction through our whole body, causing tissue damage, organ failure, and eventually death. 11 million people die like this every year. As sepsis is a time-critical condition, a fast diagnosis is critical to allow timely antibiotic treatment to improve patient outcomes and save lives. Current diagnostic systems are slow, inaccurate, and resource-intensive, meaning that sometimes, when the correct diagnosis comes, it is too late to treat the patient.
But we can change this. SeptiLoop is a novel, low-cost, point-of-care diagnostic test that can detect sepsis for the early stage of the disease. In under 2 hours, SeptiLoop can give a 3 times more accurately diagnostic compared to existing solutions. SeptiLoop will help emergency physicians to quickly and accurately diagnose sepsis with the aim of shortening the time of treatment.
We are LoopDX, a medical device startup focused on developing innovative diagnostic technologies for the early detection of bloodstream infection.
Our team has over 15 years of experience in sepsis immune response research and sepsis management, with more than 35 scientific publications and 1 patent that fully protects our technology. We are supported by an advisory board and clinical partners who complement our clinical and scientific knowledge, with experience in healthcare, innovation, entrepreneurship, and engineering.
So far, we have obtained excellent results in initial trials with our first prototype, demonstrating significantly better performance than the current standard of care, and more importantly, demonstrating that SeptiLoop could identify sepsis during the first hour of infection window, avoiding sepsis not related to treated deaths.
And now, this is time for us to take the next step. Before we can bring SeptiLoop to the market, we must scale up the production process, validate SeptiLoop's performance in a multi-center clinical trial, and obtain regulatory approval. Once we have overcome this challenge, we will be ready to start diagnosing sepsis in hospital emergency room.
Completing the project will bring us to a massive market based on the number of suspected sepsis cases, which are more than 30 million in Europe and US every year.